There she goes. And so it fucking begins. Harvest is my favorite time of year. Wheat and fall harvest, it's all my favorite. So I'm always excited to get started, but I don't necessarily love when we all agree to start tomorrow afternoon after our job or the next day fresh in the morning, and then we end up starting tonight. So like today's Tuesday, and we were going to start either Wednesday afternoon when we got off of the job site if we had everything ready, or just get it all ready, double check everything Tuesday or Wednesday night and start fresh Thursday morning. 5 minutes later we decided to start right now. So I just finished greasing the grain cart, and my brother's hooking up to the header, and we're gonna see how dry these beans really are. It's just a little bit here at the home farm. We won't get the whole home farm done because we got rained out when we planted this, but get a little bit done and kind of ease in the harvest, I guess. So yay, trying to stay not agitated by the last minute change of plans, because I don't love that, but we're doing it. Luckily I hustled last week and this week and got pretty much everything ready. So here we go. One of my biggest freaking pet peeves is this. I had to bring a whole trash bag because whoever ran this during wheat harvest, this has been hooked up and just parked in the shed after we cleaned it up this summer. Whoever ran this at the end of wheat harvest left lots and lots and lots and lots of trash in here. Yay! And look, I know I might sound like a negative Nancy right now, but I can handle plans changing. That's farming. But when plans change so extreme as to, let's spend the whole evening prepping, double checking, going home, and seeing our houses for the last time for the next 60 days to, oh, we're just gonna start today. That always throws me for a little bit of a loop for about an hour, and then I calm down. So that's my feelings on that. If you think I'm crazy, keep thinking I'm crazy. I don't care. I know there's other people out there that have parents that do this where they go, nope, we're gonna start in 2 days, and then they start 5 minutes later. Also, may sound like a negative Nancy because I said I hate trash. I hate trash. I don't care. That is so annoying to me that they don't just clean up at the end of the day. Or if you don't the one day, just do it the next. Look how much trash I had in here. Anyways, I'm done complaining. Aside from complaining about how hot it is, because it's so hot. Here we go. Harvest 2025. Are you still going to want me on the west side of the driveway, or am I following you?
Go park it down here by the waterway, then you're good.
What's it making?
30 so far.
Well, that's not as disappointing as I thought it was going to be.
I thought it would be way better than this.
I was expecting 15 or 20.
That's what you're going to see about double crop.
Oh, that I was expecting 5. Because Bender's cutting 25 bushel an acre first crops right now. So, yeah. That's better than I thought. I'll be curious what the difference is with ours. What's the moisture?
8. I knew they were fucking dry.
Do you want me to take a sample up to the bins, or?
That's up to you. I don't care. I'm confident in what I do. I mean, I know they're dry. I'm going to cut them, whether you sample them or not.
Okay. Do I need to get a truck, or are we just going to put it in the truck tomorrow night?
Nope. Put it in the truck tomorrow.
Okay. Alright. Bye. So you can see some green, some resprouting, but they're not very tall. Here's a nice 4-bean pod, but if you look close enough, obviously the header just went by this, so that's why these are shattered open, but you're going to see pods that look like these. There is 1 bean in this one, but these got aborted, and that is where, like, this one's completely empty. That's where the yield loss is. These were going to be some beautiful beans up until the 4th of July. This year's harvest is not as joyous as most of them are whatsoever. 3rd year with these prices and input costs, and devastating yields this year is what it's going to pan out to be, most likely. So not as joyous, but it's all out of our control. We can't control Mother Nature, so all we can do is take what the good Lord did give us this year and be smart with it and utilize it to do this again next year and hope for better. So that's the reality down here this year. Very poor soybeans. So yeah, I don't have many words. Almost makes me a little bit emotional because it sucks a lot, but not much that can be done. Bitch.
Getting after it.
How do you feel about the first day of soybean harvest?
Horrible. Everything's going good, but the beans aren't what we expected them to be.
I don't know about you guys, but soybeans is the one crop that I like actually eat once I moisture test it by mouth. I love how it tastes. Anyways, park the cart here for the rest of the evening. Obviously, it's not like it fills up fast because beans aren't making very much. But since we're right here at the home farm, I'm gonna go and do a couple more things off my list while he cuts. So, good evening. Okay, it is now 7 o'clock. The combine is finishing up because we cut about a cart full, and we're not gonna dump it tonight because our trucks are still on these trailers because we have to haul rock tomorrow, and then they will get hooked to the grain trailers, and then we'll get rid of it. That tractor's greased, that tractor's greased, and that tractor's greased wherever, and that dirt scoop's greased. And I got the floor rinsed off, some things put away in the shop. So I didn't get my whole list done, but I got most of it done, and we'll pick up the rest day by day. It's officially harvest. We're officially rolling. I'm going over to the office to type up a piece of paper, and then I'm going home, and I'm gonna eat supper and enjoy this beautiful sunset on my back porch.